Hi guys, it's Tuesday morning. It's been a long bank holiday weekend. We're back in the Dream Factory. We've got behind me a Bentley GTC Supersport. It's coming in for a split colour design. This customer's been to us previously. I don't think we actually videoed it at the time, but he had chrome through the middle of the car and black down the sides, or it could have been the other way around, can't remember. But he's come back to us with his new Bentley. We're doing the same sort of design, but this time with red and black. The car's just been washed. The guys are going to be jumping onto it. We are on a tight schedule with this one because we've lost a day for the bank holiday. Let's get it in, let's get it done, let's go. Okay guys, so the car's come in. As you know, it's a Bentley GT Supersport. I've pulled it in, I've actually jumped into the car just to have a look to see what's in here, and this thing has got every conceivable option that I can actually see in here. So if you look in the center console, you look at all the places where you'd have buttons, everything's filled up. So you've got heated and air-cooled seats in here. If you look down here, you've got the neck curtain on the seats as well. So when you've got the roof down, you can actually throw a bit of hot air into your neck so you don't get cold, I guess. You've got massage seats, you've got carbon upon carbon. This has got every conceivable extra, so whoever spec'd this car has done it correctly and has left no expense spared. Look at the interior as well. You've got the Bentley Milliner style cross stitch on the leather, but you've got three colours in here, so the red, the white and the black. It's bonkers. It is bonkers in here.
First off, we're going to start off with the doors. They're the hardest bit on this car. Door cards need to come off, glass needs to come out, little quarter glass needs to come out, and that's just to get the handle and the wing mirrors off. So yeah, better get to it. This glass is actually double glazing. As you can see, it's like 2 layers put together. Makes it stronger, makes it a lot more expensive as well. So we do have to be careful when stripping this down.
So me and Kieran worked on the Supersport Bentley. We're going to take the front bumper off now. So we've released all the screws. As you can see, we've released the clips as well. So if you start to have a look over there, it sounds like it's going to break, but the thing with the Bentley is it's very, very stiff. So there's a certain angle you've got to get it at.
Bro, Anthony Joshua's coming today. I've been practicing, you know. Click here to see that video. Hi guys, we're just finishing the recorder right now. We're all looking red today, especially Terry. We're gonna go finish this one now, and my mom's calling. Bye! Working, bro. You're the man. As you can see, we are now wrapping the bonnet of this Bentley GTC, and it's going in metallic, black, glittery, as well as windscreen surround, boot, and the roof cover.
Normal? Yeah, great. Lovely, well done. That's heavy.
So basically, I'm cleaning the side of the car, ready for the sticker to go on. So the car came in with this thing on the car, but obviously a different one. And I've taken an image of the car previously, put it into a graphic design sort of software that we've got, and cut it out, ready to put back on the car. So obviously the car was white, it's now red, and we need to replace the sticker that was on the car before. So that's what I'm doing now, just popping it back on.
The Bentley Supersport is complete. It looks fantastic. I think the gloss red that the customer chose was bang on the money. The top half is like a sparkly metallic black. It just works. And with the interior combination, it's a no-brainer. Comment down below, let me know. Do you think it looked better in white or with the black and the red? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. We've got so much more footage to come, and I'll see you soon. Take care.